trash. Awesome. Slick, man. Be careful. So I have been here before, but it's been a long time. A lot harder to get back here than it used to be. Got back there, Jim? Alright. Getting close. Whew. Alright. Well, here is what used to be the waterfall. That's the creek. And if it was a little bit wetter right now, this would be a waterfall. Bunch of glass down there, didn't used to be down there. I don't know why you dump in a place pretty like this, but people do it. Probably kids coming down here and breaking stuff. So
while we're up here, let's while we're up here, let's show them down here and see if maybe there's a snake or a critter we can get a hold of.
that sounds good. Sounds good to me. Yeah. It's slick, so watch it when you jump.
Right where you are.
So all right, so now we're just gonna truck it for a little while. We might get lost. We're actually looking for some Indian ovens. That's what we're looking for, that I found down here. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. I'm not real sure. If you guys see them and you're like a, you know, social studies teacher or something, maybe you can help us out. It's all kinds of loose rocks and like moss around here. I'll probably take a fall here in a minute. Yep, almost right there. Should have wore different boots. These are like slick on the bottom. Kind of dumb for doing that, but it happens. Bunch of tires. So for you guys that are outside of Kentucky, I'd say it's like this in every state, but it's a classic dump spot. So there's trash down here, probably from the 50s if you look hard enough. I really feel right about doing this, but I'm going to. I want to stick my hand and get snake bit. That's wedged in there, ain't gonna worry about it.
Down here in this dump, I've got this little jar.
Oh.
Don't really know what kind of jar or what would come in.
The glass? Or?
The jar is very glass.
Very glass. I'd say it's old if I was guessing, because I've never seen nothing like it.
Pretty cool.
Some kind of plexiglass for something. Down here, a bunch of old tires. A straw. A lot of this stuff, guys, where this is a creek, when it rains a whole lot, it's gonna wash stuff down in here. I don't even know if you'd really call this a creek because it's dry most of the time, but we seen that inflatable bowling pin earlier, so liable to find anything down here. Big fluorescent light tube. Mountain Dew bottle.
Turtle gauge. Low shot. Squirrel. Squirrel shot.
Squirrel, where? I'm just kidding. Yeah. Ooh, brought a. Oh, let me just throw that into you. Let give you a taste of that real quick. I ain't seen any snakes, but I feel like there should be a bunch of them. Yeah, there's something that's seen us, I'm positive. A cheap cigar pack, that's always pretty awesome. If we smoked a cigar right now, would probably die. Coke can. Yeah, I haven't seen these. I always call them caves, but they're not big enough to be caves. But we're quite a ways from them. It's been a long time since I've been to them. It's grown up a lot, so hopefully we can still find them. All right. Are you wore out yet? Oh, dude, we're here. Look up. That was a whole lot faster than I thought it would be. That's awesome. We just got to figure out how to get across this weird fence. Is this poison ivy? Maybe. No, I'm already in too deep now. Might as well just go for it. Y'all ready to see this rusty fence break with me on it? That was not near as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah. They used to come down here when I was a kid all the time. I'm still coming down here, just a bigger kid. Want me to assist? All right. You see him?
Yeah.
All right. Those are cool. Never really seen anything like it. Have you? I've been telling Jimmy about these a really long time, so this is the first time he's finally getting to see them. We've known each other for how long now?
Feels like forever.
Feels like forever.
6, 7 years.
Six or 7 years, give or take. There's another one over here. I don't know if you noticed it too. It's a little harder to get to. Sorry for my heaving breath, guys. Was gonna say I'm not the athlete I used to be, but you know, I never was an athlete, so that is a factor. Here we go. Here's the other one. So, I mean, if this is natural, I've never seen anything like it. Have you? Pretty sweet, ain't it? So that was a surprise I was telling you guys about. I don't guess it's really a surprise, but
These guys, people say they're poisonous. I disagree.
got Jimmy's nipple there.
See that? That's your typical granddaddy long legs. The myth is that they're poisonous, their mouth's just too small to bite you. Thanks to the beautiful people at Mythbusters, that was busted. They can bite you. They may have some toxin in them, I don't think it's enough to hurt you. We're gonna put this guy back where he belongs, back in his home. Just let him go free.
And just let him, he's going out for groceries or something, I think.
In his minivan.
Getting your little granddaddy long leg minivan and go to town. Oh, that was it, man. There used to be a spot you could climb up over here. This landscape has changed so much. I haven't been down here in probably over 10 years, so. Woods. All right, guys, so I just kind of made it to the top. Jimmy's still down there talking to spiders or something. We're back up out of the ravine a little bit, or the holler for you country folks. Over the logs and through the woods. Jimmy down. He just came up that, I know you guys can't tell on the video, but that's pretty steep right there. My camera keeps overheating, guys, so my bad. We might turn mine off for a minute. It's blazing today. I don't know if you guys can see the sweat, but it's, how hot was it today, Jimmy? You remember?
92.
92.
Muggy.
Really muggy, yeah. A lot of people think, oh, 92, that's nothing, but in Kentucky, it's the humidity that kills you. It's not the heat. So we're up here on the road now. There's a car, some other stuff. But yeah, big scummy pond. Well, little scummy pond. Pretty out here though. Really pretty. Glad we came out today.